How to delete all messages in your messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your all of your messages in your messenger app. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your messenger. So now once you are in here you just have to select the chat that you want to delete. And from here, as you can see that here is the option of the delete. You just have to click on it and you are able to delete the chat. And if you want to delete all of your messages at once, you are not able to delete all of them at once because the messenger doesn't give you any option to delete all of your messages at once. So what you have to do is simply click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top left corner, and from here you have to click on the square icon and go in your settings. Now from here you just have to go in the report a problem and you have to go in your report anyway. Now you have to include it and here you have to add the screenshot of your profile, and after that you have to add your username and you have to add that you want to delete all of your messages at once, and you have to submit your report. So once you submit your report you just have to wait for the messenger to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can delete all of your messages in your messenger at once. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.